Guys, AC is not working. No. What's up, guys? So today we're actually going to be installing the screen. There was some issues, not technical issues, there's some issues we had on getting the component for the next video, but some of you guys guessed it in the last video, some of you guys didn't. So whatever that is, we're going to be installing it next video, and I'm still so excited for it. I'm sad that it didn't get to happen this video, but for now we get a Apple CarPlay radio. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. My mom and I just went to a family friend's house and we just ate there, but we're going to get to the install. See you guys inside the car. Looking at the box we got all the steering wheel controls in there. I think this is the camera, aux, mic. We got the actual dash kit right there. This is the HDMI and Apple CarPlay cables. This guy labeled them all beautifully. This is the head unit assembly. This is the mic. Oh, so I guess the other one was the camera. That is the mic. I don't know what that is. And then we have the actual screen right there. Alpine ILX-207 with Apple CarPlay. I'm excited. It should be fun. Should be pretty self-explanatory. Pop this out, unscrew this, pop that out, that out, that out, that out, and then we'll pull this out. I'll show you guys a little bit of step-by-step, but I'm really just trying to get it done. Alright, so we pulled this off. Super easy. This was just a pop-off. We can't get the damn shift knob off, so we're just leaving that there. The side pillars are also just pop-offs. There's clips all along here. I think there's like 2 screws that we actually pulled out. And then harness here, harness there. And I think there's 4 screws around the actual stereo. We pulled the entire radio off. Now we just gotta get these off to get this whole bracket thing. I think there was 5 harnesses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That you have to pull off all right here. And then you get the whole radio off. The car looks so weird. We got the backup camera installed. We got the mic installed. We got all the stuff for the screen installed. All the harnesses. The only thing we're struggling with right now is the steering wheel controls. But let me show y'all real quick. Turn it on. Everything works so far. It says Nismo, bro. That is live. Alright, so we got the backup camera installed. We had to take everything out like I did for the 4th brake light. We basically wrapped it all the way up into here. Took the reverse light, hooked it up there, and then we have it like basically sealed under here. The wire's going right here, and we're taking all this to the front. It's coming out through there. You can't really see it. It's coming out through here. Right here. I'm gonna try to get it into the panels, go up through there, and then bring it around there. It looks like a mess right now, guys. So I'm gonna fix all this, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. I got everything finally in place with the help of Gabby. Also, Josh helped me a bunch earlier, so shout out to you, Josh. You're the real MVP. So, everything's back together. This is freaking... Dude, it looks so good. Y'all see this? It looks so good. We got everything back together, like this was all one piece. Take the Alcantara sides off, all that. I have the Apple CarPlay thing running through the emergency brake, running through here. It looks so much better than that crappy radio thing that Nissan had. Look at this. Look at that. What is this? Guys, this is a 2016 car, and they had this in there. After, before, after. Cool. Let's test it out. Moment of truth, moment of truth.
I think I cut myself.
Bro, that is so sick. Y'all see that? It says Nismo. Also, I want to make sure everything else works too. Alright. Sports Synchro Rev Match works. Awesome. AC.
I feel it.
Wait a second. It is not working. Guys, AC is not working. No!
Oh my gosh. At least it's winter time, so
This is so sad. My AC is not working. Well, it's like working, but it's just like constantly on. So we gotta get that fixed. We literally took everything apart and had to do basically the whole job over again because I forgot to plug in the dang AC. So, let's see if it works.
Bro. No! Oh, babe, what did you do?
Did we not plug it in?
Yeah, we did. Because we checked it. I was like, make sure.
Alright guys, round 3. False alarm. I just had it in accessory mode when you're supposed to have it in on mode. Finally done, guys. It looks so much better. Took nothing but like 10 hours. I'm kidding. It's not that bad. Just don't mess up. That's it for today. That was freaking crazy. That was a long and unnecessarily long install, but I'll show you guys the features tomorrow. I'm so happy this is done. I was about to pay $250 for someone to do this. Alright guys, so as promised, I will show you guys the screen and like the features and what I've learned from it. I had a day or so to kind of use it, and I am absolutely loving it. I've never had Apple CarPlay before. Apple CarPlay is freaking amazing. It's so cool just seeing the maps, the Spotify, the messages. So let me show you guys the screen and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. So once again, this is an Alpine ILX-207. This is what the main interface looks like. You have like your phone, Apple CarPlay, camera, external accessory controls, which I don't really know what it is yet. And then you have your setup, which is like basically all your settings. You have your menu. I have the Apple CarPlay module connected through here, coming up out of the parking brake, and that's connected to my phone here. And then let me just show you guys real quick. So Apple CarPlay, you come to Maps. That looks awesome. I know it looks exactly like the iPhone screen, but just having it on your car looks so good. And then you have your Spotify, of course, your messages, and then you have, if you go to camera, you have your rear view camera with not the most amazing quality, but it's cool. So we got the mic attached there, running all the way through there, behind there. I have the rear view camera under there, coming up behind there. And you can see a little bit of the wiring right there. I need to hide that. I haven't finished that part yet, but let's go outside and I'll show you guys the rear view camera setup outside. So here it is, the rear view camera, 4th brake light, LEDs, looks super good. And then I had to get longer bolts for this because it wasn't going through the license plate frame and this, but that's all good now. We have it connected to the reverse tail light here and running all the way through there, through there, through there. It's coming together, guys. The car is definitely coming together. We have a lot more exciting stuff coming, but it is definitely coming together. I am super, super happy. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were able to learn a little. It wasn't the most detailed step-by-step tutorial. It's kind of hard to install and learn while I'm trying to teach as well, but overall the install is not that hard. Even the backup camera, which I thought would be really difficult, is not that difficult. It's really easy once you start going. The panels are really easy to remove. There's like barely any screws. All you need is like a 10mm and a Phillips to get this entire job done. So do it yourself. Save that $200 that these shops are charging y'all. If you compare to what the screen looks like to what it looked like before, it looks so much better. More mods are coming, guys. Black Friday just ended. You know we spent a lot of money on Black Friday mods, so we got a lot of exciting stuff coming. Thank you guys as always for the support. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Have an amazing weekend, guys.